Well, howdy y'all. It's like 2 minutes after 9, July 6th. Some of you may see this before you see the other video. I just finished editing a little while ago and uploaded a few minutes ago. Uploaded it while I was tinkering on some small last-minute items on the Honda. The whole head gasket repair, engine and transmission out and all that. She's not gonna run tonight. My back's just too much of a wreck. So I'm just doing all the little things I can get at. But in the meantime, while I was uploading that other video, or setting it up to upload, I saw that yesterday I had 70 subs. Today I have 72. That just blows me away. I've at least mentioned in a couple of videos, one video a little more specific, I think I explained how my making videos at all and posting to YouTube came about. So I never expected to get more than 5 or 10, family members and ultra close friends in the circle kind of thing. I didn't even know what I was doing. Public, private, all those settings. I didn't know, I was just posting stuff. And then now I've got 72 subs. So anyway, if I never hit 73, that's awesome. It doesn't matter. I just think it's cool. And I just wanted to say thank you. So if you like it, share it, thumbs up, hit the button, all that good stuff. If not, that's cool too. So in the meantime, have a good night, and I'll catch you later.